I went to Porthcawl Beach in South Wales on that blistering hot afternoon. I found a tiny bit of shade and I started doing some sketching. I had thought I might go and have a paddle, but it was a bit heaving down by the water. Lots and lots of people there, and I just kind of drew people. And I was interested that there was a kind of a way people had of walking, which is obviously to do with the softness of the sand and the tilt of the beach as they have to go walking back up, leaning into it. It was the end of the day. Everyone was looking very tired after a day spent on the beach getting hot and bothered. And I spent about 40 minutes there doing these little sketches. And that's about it, really. What else can I tell you? You can see them scanned on my website. Follow the link down below.